So hi everyone, it's Alex you already, and today gonna show you the super cool effect that you can achieve on your site. It's called the WalkwayJS, and it basically animates all your SVGs like this way. So you have a line through animating on any SVG that you can download. So how to basically do this? It's a simple script. You can basically just take it and just install it, but it has some quirks that you have to know to be successfully implement this, because I have my headache, I have my table flip when I do this, and I don't want you to go the same route as I do. So let's get started to the project. So let's go to the console and go to the desktop. Let's create a new folder. Let's call it Walkway Test, and we just add all folder to Sublime. Just close this one. Okay, just HTML5. Let's set it to HTML and HTML5, and we just save it as test. Let's call it WalkwayJS. Okay, so we got a bootstrap file, we have our backbone. What we need? We just need two things. We just need a script and we need an SVG. So let's get a script. If we can go back to the home page, we can see that on the GitHub we've been able to install it with a Bower. So let's use that. We got a Bower walkway.js, just hit enter, and here you go, it's installed. So let's add it. Go to script, SVG Bower components walkway.js, SVG walkway.js. Okay, so we get our WalkwayJS installed. So what's next we're gonna do? We just need our SVG right here. So let's search for noodles. So you can like Chinese foods. Okay, let's choose one. This one, and just install. Download an SVG. Just wait for the browser to actually respond to my request. Okay, so here we go. Just open that in a Sublime text. We can delete everything before the SVG. We can delete all the empty G tags. Make sure you don't delete the last one, because it's a closing tag of the open tag right above that. So we just copy all that stuff. So we just can copy all this and paste it in our index.html file like this. Okay. The next thing we want to do is to call a script. Let me close that. Okay. So we can call our script. So you can do it by using this syntax. New walkway, and we just send a few parameters. The kappa dash 1 is basically the SVG ID. It's right here. I don't know why it's called the kappa 1. I'm just downloaded it from Flat Icon, and they have the ID. You can basically change the ID to whatever you want. And we set the duration to 7 seconds. And after that, we can chain a draw method to actually draw our SVG. So it's basically all we have to do. Let's get and open that in production server. But first of all, that thing is really big. We just want to make that a little bit smaller. So we go to SVG and get a Y for 50%. And hate. Oh, excuse me, I just forgot to put a style tag. We got a height of 50%. So yeah, maybe even smaller. Let's just set our background. Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, just let us set a body and we'll just background. I'm gonna call a color picker. So I like green color. Just pick this. Put this one. Just white 100%. And height 100%. Yeah, that's so much nicer. And as you can see, we got all set up, but our script doesn't work. It doesn't work as it's intended to be, as I see it here. It doesn't work like this. So what's the problem? You know, there is no information on a GitHub page how you should really do it. And the way you resolve that issue is you have to put that styles into your index.html file. So it will have all the necessary styling to properly show your SVG. And that's all. That's all for today, guys. But I have a special bonus for you. I have a special tip. You know, you see that I change a tab, nothing happens. You know, there is no way to relaunch an animation other than reload the current page. So it would be nice to have an option on our tab change, and then a tab loses the focus to draw that. So the user have the same experience all the time, because sometimes someone opens your tab in the background and it just doesn't see any animation which you intended them to show. So I have a solution to this. It's basically that I wrote this addition, and you can use it for free. You just have to go to this site and just download that script that has an additional option that will allow you to redraw everything once the tab loses focus. All you have to do is to put another option, redraw on focus, and set it to true. That's all. We just reload our page. We change the tab focus. You know, you see right now it just started drawing every time we lose the focus, and it starts redrawing. Isn't that nice? Okay, that's all for you guys for today. Thanks for joining me. Stay tuned and please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I will continue to do my tutorials. Thanks for your time. Bye.